Here's how to make a cursive letter F. Starting with a capital, we're going to start up at the top, slanting downwards, back up and over. Then we'll loop and go across the top and cross in the middle. So again, we'll go down diagonally, do a little curve and over. Then we'll loop and go curve towards the top and cross in the middle. Down, up and over, loop and curve, cross in the middle. Watch it without the tracing lines. Down, up and over, loop, curve, and cross in the middle. Down, up and over, loop, curve, cross in the middle. One more. This one's kind of tricky. Down, up and over, loop and curve, cross in the middle. Lowercase f, you're going to start down towards the bottom and go loop all the way up at the top, kind of like a B, but you're going to continue to go below the line, meet it in the middle, and give it a little tail. So curving up, over, down and loop, meet in the middle, then curve back up. Up and over, down below, meet in the middle, and tail. Watch without the dotted lines. Up, go all the way down past, meet in the middle, and curve. Remember that curve's going to help you connect the next letter when you're writing a full word. Up, all the way down past, meet in the middle, and tail. Up, down past, meet in the middle, and curve. So when I'm writing a word, remember I don't pick up my pen or pencil at all when I'm writing cursive. I do it all in one. Up, down, meet in the middle, curve up, go right into the next one without picking up my pen. Up, down, meet in the middle, completing the entire word without lifting my pen.